Hello, everybody. Let me get started with my today's another coding practice. So today's question is this: merge two sorted lists. So yeah, as usual, because this is an easy question, I copy pasted the question statement here in the empty editor, and I will try to organize all the steps by myself. Yeah, and solve this question. Then copy my implementation to back to the LeetCode platform and then try to execute my code. So that being said, let me get started. So I'm giving the heads of two sorted linked lists, list 1 and list 2. Merge the two lists into one sorted list. The list should be made by splicing together the nodes of the first two lists. Splicing together the nodes of the first two lists. Return the head of the merged linked list. Merge the two lists into one sorted list. The list should be made by sorry, what does splicing together mean? I'm not, yeah, the native English speaker. Let me search it. Yeah, I see. So splicing means kind of, concatenating. Okay. So simply saying, I need to, concatenate nodes in a good way to get the sorted list. I see. So in this question, let me define the interface first. So my task is to, I will be given two lists, linked lists. Then I should return the head of the, yeah, head node of the merged linked list. And seems like I need to use the original node, yeah, in the returned merged list. Let me confirm it. I have no idea. Okay. But anyway, yeah, let me do it in that way. So yeah, I think so because line 3 obviously saying I have to merge two lists into one sorted list. I have to literally merge. Okay. So aside from this, I'm wondering if the L1, L2, each of the given lists can be known or not. This time I will assume that this can be nullable. This can be null. Okay. Obviously, then in that case, if both of them are none, then I should return none. Otherwise, I will find the merge rank list. I can create the merge rank list, which should be exactly the ranked list, which is not none. Okay, good. I think now I've understood the question enough. So let me go to the next step, which is thinking of the algorithm with some examples. So for example, I will think of the case. Yep, like this. Oh, let me do. Okay, let me think of this and this. So in this case, I think what I can use is, wait, I think the kind of brute force approach is that raise the list of all the nodes from list 1 and list 2. And then in the list of the nodes, I will sort nodes. And now I get a sorted node list. Then I merge all of them and I convert it into the linked list by pointing, the nodes from one node to another. Then I will return the head of it. So that's a kind of brute force approach which takes all of n time, assuming that n is the total number of nodes in list 1 and list 2. So But that being said, I've come up with another solution, which is using the 2 pointers. So in this way, I will point to the node, current node, node 1 and node 2. Then every time I compare node 1 and node 2, then if node 1 is smaller, oh, I will create the merged list. Let me put pseudo head first. So every time I see the node, and if it is not num, I will compare them. And here I get node 1 is the smaller, so I will point it to node 1. This is node, not the value. Yep. Then I move the pointer n1. Then I compare n1 and n2, and n2 is smaller, so I get n2 here, next to the node 1. Then from here, I will compare n1 and n2 and find that n1 is smaller, so I put it here. Then I move the pointer n1. Oh, and obviously I also need the pointer in merged list, like this. Then I compare n1 and n2. Both of they're the same, so either is fine. Oh, I think that's something I have to check. So probably I will ask the question like, if the same nodes, same value nodes, how should they order them? And probably they will say it doesn't matter. So in this case, I will choose n1. Then I move the pointer 1. Yeah, and I get n2 and I get the n1. And once I've run out of the list, n2 is pointing to none. So if that's the case, I will skip n2 always and just merge the node from n1 to the tail of the merged list. Then I will keep going. Is that it? Yep. I think this is a kind of, possible solution I can take. So let me get started with the implementation. Let me rename it to current 1, current 2.